In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up collaborators in BambooHR. Collaborators are people who need limited access to your BambooHR account. Think contractors, consultants, or volunteers without being added as employees. That means they don't count toward payroll or HR reporting, but they can still see only what you allow. I'll walk you through adding a collaborator, choosing the right access, sending their login, and managing or ending access later. Start by going to your company.bamboohr.com and signing in with an account that has admin or HR permissions. Only admins can create collaborators, so make sure you're using the right login. Once you're in, click the gear icon for settings in the upper right corner. This opens the admin setup panel where we'll make all the changes. Inside settings, look for the employees section and choose collaborators. This area is separate from your regular employee directory, which helps keep permissions clear and reporting clean. Click the option to add a new collaborator. A small form will appear. Enter their name and email. Double-check the email to avoid login issues. You can optionally add a start date, an end date, and a job title. The start and end dates are helpful when the collaboration is time-bound, and the job title can make it easier for managers to recognize who's who. Remember, collaborators are not added to payroll and won't be included in employee reports. Next, choose the access level. You'll pick what this collaborator can see, such as the company directory, files, documents, training, or limited project information. You can assign a pre-made access role or use a custom role you've created under permissions. When in doubt, follow the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's necessary for the work, and you can always expand later. Save the collaborator profile. You should now see them listed in the collaborators directory. BambooHR may automatically send a welcome email. If it doesn't, open the collaborators profile and select Send Welcome Email. They'll receive a login link and a temporary password. Encourage them to check their spam folder if they don't see it, and to update their password upon first sign-in. If you need to adjust permissions later, head back to Settings, then Access Levels or Permissions. Select the collaborator or the role, make your edits, and save. You can grant more access, restrict specific modules, or update visibility as needs evolve. When their work is complete, open the collaborator's profile and choose More, then terminate or deactivate collaborator. Their access is removed immediately, keeping your data secure.